A rapidly moving asteroid will make an approach to Earth this Sunday of the Super Bowl on February 4, but poses no risk of hitting our planet, according to NASA. The asteroid, called 2002 AJ129, will make its closest approach to Earth at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time 21:30 GMT, and will be about 2.6 million miles (4.2 million kilometers) from our planet at its closest point, said NASA officials. It is traveling at an impressive speed of about 76,000 mph, 122,310 km per hour, faster than most near-Earth asteroids. But while asteroid 2002 AJ129 is classified as potentially dangerous by NASA, at no time or in the next century does it pose a threat of impact to Earth, NASA officials said. Asteroids are classified as potentially dangerous if they are more than 460 feet (140 meters) in diameter and are in orbits that approach within 4.65 million miles (7.48 million km) from Earth. We have been following this asteroid for more than 14 years and know its orbit very accurately. Our calculations indicate that the 2002 asteroid AJ129 has no chance, zero, of colliding with the Earth on February 4 or at any time during the next 100 years.